A little bit of soy sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and add some morels. You just want to make sure you cook your morels thoroughly through. Sorry. Wait, because there's water, if it gets hot, it'll start to pop, so now you're gonna know when it's ready. Tofu, look at that jiggly wiggly girl.
Hold on.
We're gonna go ahead and drop that in. Oh shoot, I cracked it. Go ahead and drop that in. Bring that oil on the side over here. Go ahead and pour our sauce over it. And add a little bit of grated daikon. And this is one of my favorite herbs called mitsuba. Here you go. Agedashi Tofu. Wowza! How do you think I did, Chef? Great. Did I do okay?
Beautiful.
Thank you. Like your face.
Is that me? Or are you shooting?
Even with your iPhone, this shit looks great.
Look at this tofu I made.
Like even with your phone, right?
Yeah. Look at this tofu I made.
See?
Lighting helps.
Can you stand
So
it on
much.
camera again? Like, this is Matt's setup.
Yeah.
Mine wasn't expensive, and it was like a battery charger setup.
Yeah.
The nice thing about these is they clamp directly onto the counter.
I still want to do like almost a different channel in the same channel, and it's more late night snacks.
Right. And then I'll leave you camera, microphone, battery.
So I have all those dishes. I used all of them, right?
Yeah, most of them.